Alright, so we're going to teach you how to turn your potato gun here into a paintball shotgun. First thing is you have to build a potato gun, go to Lowe's, spend about 25 bucks, get a barbecue lighter, and you're good to go. So the way we're going to shoot this is you're going to take a plastic bag, put it in the barrel, take this, shove it down to there. Next you're going to take your paintballs and pour them in. One, two. Next, you take one more plastic bag, put it in, and shove it down until you feel it hit the paintballs. Like so. Then, you put some hairspray in it. Right. Alright, so you put in your hairspray and your paintballs and your water, and then you're good to go.
Rock on.
Yeah?
Kind of dark out, so you guys might not be able to see this. Okay, so, well, let's take my word for it. Okay, so there's one shot right there. I don't know if you can see that. One right there. And from previous tests on the back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we got, altogether, we got 14 hits. We took 3 shots with a max of 5 paintballs.